Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be making chicken tenders. Before we get started, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I'd like to say welcome and please come back because I'll be posting a lot of good content. And for those of you that are return viewers, welcome back. And please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and share with everyone that you know, as well as leave me some comments down below. I will be uploading videos regularly, so go ahead and click that notification bell in the top right hand corner of the screen so you don't miss out on the videos each time I do upload a new one. Now on to the video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm actually making me a little quick meal, having some chicken tenders, and I'm making some homemade French fries. And batter the French fries like I'm battering the chicken and cooking them. To get started, I'm just gonna need the chicken and the potatoes and some oil to fry them in. Some hot sauce, mustard, all-purpose seasoning, and then I also have some Creole seasoning or Cajun seasoning that I'm going to use because my all-purpose seasoning doesn't have much sodium in it at all. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add my hot sauce. You can also use buttermilk. I don't have any, so I'm not using that. This tenderizes and helps coat the chicken. And you don't have to use it at all, period. You can just put salt and pepper on it and be done. All right, so here's my seasoning. And a little of the Cajun seasoning. All right, so I have these coated. These have been sitting out for about an hour, so they're almost at room temperature. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this back up with plastic and let them marinate. Normally I do try to season them a few hours before, even the night before, so that they're very well seasoned, but I season them really good, so that should be cool. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and peel and cut up my potatoes, and I'll be back. All right guys, so I'm back. And now I'm going to bread my chicken. In here I have some flour that's seasoned with pretty much the seasonings that I put on the chicken and some pepper, and that's pretty much about it. You can also throw some cornstarch in here if you like too. That helps make the chicken crispy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in here, shake them up, and then I'm gonna put them on a plate to let them dry out. And the reason I'm doing that is because once you allow the flour or the chicken, once you allow the flour to sit on the chicken's moisture will absorb the flour. And doing that makes your chicken a lot better because then the coating's not going to come off. So I'm going to wait about 20 minutes, probably about 15, 20 minutes. And then come back and I'm going to double dip these. One more little piece, yeah, dude. Because this is just a little serving, enough to make a sandwich or just to dip some tenders in. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes. And once the chicken absorbs the flour, I'll come back and I'll dip them again. Then I'll go ahead and fry. All right, guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, the meat absorbed all the flour except for the crunchies that I have in there, which this is good because it makes the chicken crunchy on the outside. So I'm gonna dredge these again and shake them up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my oil to bring that up to temp on a medium high. So it's gonna take probably like about 8 to 10 minutes. And then I'll get these fried. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get my French fries ready as well. All right, guys, so we're back, well, I'm back, excuse me. So I'm gonna test the oil. If you use a skewer like this, you'll be able to see right down at the base where it's bubbling. That means your oil is ready. I also want to do a temp check too. Let's do that and see what the temperature is. It's 250. About 314, 16. It's actually getting up there. So usually you want to fry between 325 and 350. This is going to be fine because my meat is not cold. It's been sitting at room temperature. So normally what happens is when you drop the meat in there, the temperature of the oil drops, and it's still going to drop, but it's not going to drop that much. So go ahead and lay these in there. You want to always make sure you lay them away from you to prevent them from getting grease splashed on you and getting burned. This last little piece. So I'm going to cook that until it gets golden. Flip them over. All right, guys, so here are my chicken tenders. Very crispy too, with my ranch dressing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching my video. Please leave me some comments down below and let me know what you thought about the video. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with everyone that you know. And don't forget to click that notification bell in the top right-hand corner of the screen so that you'll be notified each time I do upload a new video. You can also find me on other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I also have a Facebook group, Cooking with Gerald. We post recipes and photos of dishes that we've cooked. All of my links to all these platforms are down below. Until next time, stay safe.